I'm Aga Tompkins. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing the brown colors from this Baby Yoda ColourPop palette, and I'm real excited about it because this brown is so chocolatey and it's perfect, and I'm really happy to show you guys what it looks like. So check out this video and enjoy. Let's see, where am I? There I am. All right. So today I'm gonna start with this color, and that's gonna go in my crease. I'm really excited to try this brown. It's so pretty and rich, like chocolate. And then blend it out a little bit. Now I'm gonna use Droid Protocol, the darker brown, and I'm using a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna kind of knock off some of the product so that, you know, you don't want too much on there. Oh man, I love this brown. This is gonna be like my everyday brown from now on. It's so good. I used to have a brown like this a long time ago, and then I don't even remember what brand it was from, but then I ran out, and now I'll have it again. You always need a good brown color. It's a good neutral. It's perfect. Obsessed. Now just blend it out. My neighbors have Christmas music. Tracy, if you can hear me, if you're watching this, and it's nice because it's Christmas cheer, but we can hear it really loud in our house, which is fine. Honestly, it's so far away. I don't even know how it's so loud in our home, but we laugh, we sing all the songs along with it, so we just have constant Christmas music playing in our house, so that we get in the holiday spirit. They want to make sure the whole neighborhood gets into it. Yeah, shout out to my neighbors, they're great. Now I'm gonna do the Force, the gold color, and I'm gonna use a little setting spray just to wet my brush a little bit, and then kind of put the gold in the center here. Cool. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and kind of get more of the darker brown again, and just kind of go around the very edge of this on the outside. Now I'm busting out this palette just because I like this neutral, my precious, just for the upper brow bone here. And if you're watching my other videos, then you already know I'm really digging this color for the top there for my skin tone, but you can use anything, honestly, that's just lighter than your skin tone, just to make this color pop. Now I'm gonna go in with the lighter color on the bottom. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the darker brown again and go on the outside there. And I'm going for a bit of a rounder shape here, as you can tell. So I'm kind of going back in and just making sure that shape is there. And then I'll blend it out again. And now I'm going to go in and use Precious Cargo, which is this shimmery white color. And I'm gonna put that in the center. It's like a golden shimmer, the lightest golden shimmer. And put that in the corners here on both eyes. And I'm also gonna add that to just the very center underneath here, just to kind of like add a little sparkle. And then last but not least, I'm gonna add some just to my lid above like where my pupils are, in the middle of the gold color. Boom. I'm actually gonna use that same Precious Cargo color with a bigger, fluffier brush and use it as my highlight to tie it together. I'm gonna do my brows, lashes, and liner, and I will be right back so you guys can see the final. And here's the final finished look. I really love this brown. It's super chocolatey and just delicious. I think this palette is worth having for anybody for neutral colors. I mean, it just hits all the spots with the browns and the greens and the shimmers. If you're a person that usually sticks to like neutral palettes, I think this is a good starter for trying to explore other colors like army green, olive green, and all that stuff. It is definitely a good palette for brown eyes. I also feel like anybody with hazel or green eyes can rock this like every day, all day. Yeah, I 100% am obsessed. I will do more looks, honestly, with this palette. Maybe not for YouTube because they'll all sort of start looking the same, but you'll see on my Instagram or somewhere, you'll be seeing me in just life wearing this, because this will be something that I wear just about any day of the week, you know? So, hope you guys enjoy this video. You can see the brown and the gold look from the Star Wars Mandalorian Baby Yoda palette. He's my buddy. Oh, there he is. Yeah. My kids love Star Wars, and like literally everything is Star Wars. Their bed sheets, the shows they watch. My youngest son has a Jedi braid, dude, like for 3 years now. So, I mean, it's just life in our house. And I had to buy this palette because I love my family. And I had to represent the Star Wars for them. They were stoked when they saw this. They're like, what is that? And when I told them it was makeup, they're like, that's pretty cool that, you know, that's a thing. So it's a thing. Thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate all of your guys' support. You have no idea. Make sure to check out the giveaway that I am doing for ColourPop for this palette. And these babies. It's definitely one worth checking out. The rules are in the description, so you guys can check out what you need to be doing. Check out my Instagram, it's Aga Tompkins Beauty. And then you can find me on Facebook under Aga Tompkins Beauty. And let's be friends on those places. Hope to see you guys back for the next one. And have a great day. Bye.